Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Harley Davidson Road King. This legendary cruiser is not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of freedom, adventure, and the open road. Let's explore what makes this year's model stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Road King embraces its classic heritage while integrating modern touches. With a sleeker profile, it features updated LED lighting, a sculpted gas tank, and new color options that cater to every rider's style. The chrome accents shimmer in the sun, giving it that unmistakable Harley presence. The iconic detachable windshield remains, allowing riders to adapt to changing conditions with ease. Performance and engine. At the heart of the 2025 Road King is the powerful Milwaukee 8-114 engine. Delivering 100 lb-ft of torque, this engine provides the smooth, responsive power Harley riders crave. The upgraded suspension enhances comfort on long rides, ensuring you can tackle both city streets and open highways without compromise. With improved handling and stability, this bike offers a thrilling yet confident ride. Technology and features. The Road King isn't just about looks and power, it's packed with technology. The new infotainment system includes a 6.5-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation. Riders can easily access music, calls, and directions while keeping their eyes on the road. Enhanced rider assist features, such as ABS and traction control, ensure a safer ride, no matter the conditions. Customization options. Harley Davidson has always celebrated individuality, and the 2025 Road King is no exception. A plethora of customization options allow riders to personalize their bikes, from different seat styles to unique exhaust systems. The extensive catalog of accessories ensures that every Road King can reflect its owner's personality and riding style. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson Road King combines classic styling, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of motorcycles, the Road King promises an unforgettable journey. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and insights into the world of motorcycles. Ride safe and see you on the road. Thanks for joining BikeZone.